I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin sideways. But we've got a lot to talk about in this video. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. I want you guys to understand, well, number one, let's start here. So Bitcoin's lost the 50-week simple moving average. Not amazing. Bitcoin previously lost the 21 simple moving average. Not amazing. So this white 21 simple coming in here, and then you've got the red 50, right? So the 21 weekly and the 50 weekly, right? We haven't had a bearish cross like this, right? So here's the last time that the 21 crossed to the downside of the 50, right? So this is a bearish cross of the 21 week and the 50 week. All right. So Bitcoin had this huge sell-off, right? Is this going to happen again? We don't know that, but the last time it happened, here's the result. When we got a bullish cross, the same bullish cross, look what happened to the price action. Parabolic run up, right? Now, this is just an idea of what's happened on this one occasion. So let's go back and let's test it one more time. Okay. So this is the same bullish cross. This is what happened in the price action. Bitcoin ran from 5,400 to 13,700. Okay. The bearish cross happened here, and you see tremendous downside, right? These are moving averages are lagging indicators. So they happen, the actual cross happens based on the price action previous. Okay. But I mean, we have to at least acknowledge that we've seen significant downside after bearish crosses like this. Now, easily this idea can be invalidated, but the bulls have to show up here. You do not want to see a break down below this trend line. Bitcoin, it starts to get ugly real quick. I mean, you've had a tremendous move to the downside. At some point, a bounce is in the cards. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? You ever have kids in the car and you're going somewhere and are we there yet? Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Mom, Dad. On the daily chart, a little bit more information, clues. It's like a 1,000-piece puzzle we're trying to solve here, right? Every day we get a little bit more information. We haven't seen a whole, I mean, sometimes max pain in this market is just sideways, right? Nothing's happening. Bitcoin bulls haven't been able to regain the 200 simple moving average on the daily chart. And so, again, you want to see the bulls break and regain the 200. Now, if we zoom in to the 1 hour charts, this is really zoomed in. We have to assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. And the most important thing is, so I mean, it bounced here, and let's build on that thought. So remember, every low has been a lower low, right? Here you had a double bottom, and then it ran up and rolled over. Here, you really have a double bottom with some exaggerated bullish divergence, which is kind of played out. And that's why you got this nice bounce. But one concern is, why didn't the bulls come up here and close candles right here? There was such a strong rejection, right? And then, you know, that's a sign of weakness. I want to see the bulls come in here and break out of this pattern. At that point, everything changes, right? I mean, just based on that idea, as long if this breaks to the upside, you could see a measured move up here in this area, 52,000, right? That would be, for these altcoins which have been completely wrecked, that would be, the reason why these altcoin seasons are crazy is because they get wrecked and then they bounce back quickly. So we're looking to buy into strength, and it's coming. It's coming. However, will you see a shakeout, break to the downside? 44,000, 42,000 is in the cards. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This young lady, she said, "You changed my life." She had no experience trading at all, terrible at math, and never thought in a million years she'd be where she's at now. She's in LA. She was struggling. She took $20,000 and she turned it into $400,000 in the group in about a year and a half. This person in Cancun, I'm here because of you and this group. This person recently quit his 6-figure travel dialysis RN job to trade crypto full time. Banging. The bottom line is this. If you are constantly looking at this market and just wishing you could figure it out more, or you wished you were in the best coins, like you look at the coin list and you want to be in the top coins, I can help you. I do this very well. And right now, if you sign up, it's 60% off. 6 months or 12 months, I will help you make a ton of money in this market. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Asia just keeps selling Bitcoin. Like if you go through the times a day, like Asia is just dumping all the Bitcoin. And the United States there's a lot of buying happening, right? But Asia just continues to sell Bitcoin. All the Bitcoin sales are in the evening time or overnight for the US, right? And so why is China dumping all the Bitcoin?
Nothing to announce yet, but we are definitely actively exploring NFTs and how we can make them more accessible to a broader audience. I think that's an interesting place that we can play and also a way to hopefully help creators.
Adam Mosseri, he is the head of Instagram. This is huge. I mean, Bitcoin's getting hit right now, but you have to think that when these altcoins take off, and we've had really good altcoin runs between December and February in previous altcoin cycles and previous bull cycles, right? You've had tremendous upside. This could be an altcoin catalyst. I mean, NFTs, gaming, metaverse, I think are going to explode when these altcoins take off. And so it's very easy to see where this is headed. I mean, the bottom line is this, like if your portfolio's down, just know that you are in this space early. Think about it. Facebook, Instagram, you have so many major corporations about to jump right into this market like they've never done before. So much upside in this market going forward. I'm ready for altcoin season. Let's go. So I've been talking to you guys about the S&P 500, and we drew this rising wedge previously. And we talked about the panic situation where there's a meeting tomorrow. And I want to see how traditional markets react. And you can see like they gapped down. They opened a lot lower than they closed previously, right? And bounced at the end of the day. This is a falling wedge. I mean, this is supposed to at some point break higher, but will we get the breakout of Bitcoin to the upside to follow this? And then will this roll over again, right? Because I mean, at this point, you've got your high and this is a lower high. This is, an exit idea. So until the S&P 500 index bulls can break above all-time highs, like you're looking for downside. But short-term move to the upside. The reason why this is important, it's crazy how much I've been following traditional markets, watching traditional markets on YouTube and studying ideas that would potentially be a catalyst for traditional markets. One of these ideas will be a speech talking about the new panic situation by President Joe Biden that's coming tomorrow. And so we want to pay attention to this because if they announce any kind of shutdowns or any type of flight restrictions, or people are already worried about this. Any type of positive ideas that could be drawn from this, or things that aren't too negative, would be good for traditional markets, which in turn I think help Bitcoin, right? So pay attention to what happens during President Biden's speech tomorrow. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.